Hello students, let us continue lesson number 7 and the name of the lesson is India, Location, Border, Area and Physiography, and the topic is Mountain Ranges of Himalayas. Mount Godwin Austen Peak of India is 8,611 meters high. It lies in the Karakoram range. Mount Everest, 8,848 meters, is the highest peak in the world, which is located in the Himalayan range in Nepal. Kanchenjunga, 8,518 meters. Nanda Devi, 7,817 meters. And Badrinath, 7,138 meters, are high peaks located in the mountainous region of the Himalayas in India. Now the next topic is mountainous region of Eastern Himalaya. Student, see page number 37, picture number 7.4. You can see India mountainous region. So please go through this map. And on same page, page number 37, picture number 7.5. India, plains of India. So please go through this map also. Now, mountainous region of Eastern Himalaya. The eastern part of the Himalayas is mountainous. Patkoi and Lashai, very high hills, form part of the eastern Himalayas, whereas Garo, Khasi, Jaintia and Naga are not so high. Hills form parts of the southern Himalayas from the east-west direction. Next is plains of North India. The plains to the south of the northern mountain range are formed by the alluvium brought by the Himalayan and peninsular rivers. They cover the vast area of northern India. That is why they are known as the plains of North India. The plains made by the rivers are so vast that it is one of the largest plains in the world formed by the rivers. Due to the vastness of these plains, it is one of the most prosperous and populated areas of India. Now, the next topic is rivers flowing from Himalayas. Student, please see page number 38 and see picture number 7.6, India, rivers and lakes. So please go through this map on page number 38. Picture number 7.6. So you can see rivers and lakes of India. Now, river flowing from Himalayas. So river flowing from Himalayas are Sindhu, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas, Satluj, Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti, Ghaghra, Gandak, Koshi, Tista, Brahmaputra, etc. So these were the rivers flowing from Himalayas. Now major lakes of India. So you can see in map also the lakes of India: Sambar, Wular, Nainital, Bhimtal, Chilka, Koleru, Pulicat, Dal, etc. These were the lake of India. Now, next topic is Central and Deccan Plateau of India. So, student, on page number 38, picture number 7.7, you can see India plateaus. So, please go through it. The Central Deccan Plateau lies to the south of the plains of North India. They are spread like a triangle surrounded by water bodies on three sides. So, it is called a peninsula. It is the oldest landmass made up of rocks. The Rift Valley of the Narmada and the Shon rivers are located in this plateau. This plateau is further divided into two parts: Malwa Plateau to the north and Deccan Plateau to the south. The soil in this plateau is not very fertile, but because it is black, this area yields a variety of crops and is also a treasure house of many minerals. Now student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.